Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Vivian Ebony, and on today's video, which will be a very short video, I'll be talking about how to maximize hair growth, especially if you're in a protective style. I recently installed this cornrows, this protective style with beads. The first ingredient, which is avocado seed. Yep. And then you can use either a butter or an oil of your choice or whatever to seal in the moisture.
For this recipe, we'll be needing one ripe avocado. Then you want to cut that open to get out the seed. And when you do, please allow the seed to air dry for a day or two. If you've made it this far to this video, please consider subscribing, leave a comment and like this video. So you want to cut that into bite sizes and put that into boiling water. Now I'm adding fresh moringa leaves. This is optional for this recipe. I'm doing this because moringa has vitamin A, B, iron and zinc, which keeps the oil glands in the scalp healthy and nourished. And on the other hand, avocado seeds contain nutrients like biotin, potassium, magnesium, folic acid and vitamin B, which support hair growth and health. Now it's great for your scalp, it strengthens the hair, and when the hair is strong, it grows.
So guys, I'm done with making the avocado seed tea with the moringa leaves. The moringa leaves are for my scalp to ease off the irritation I have on my scalp right after installing these cornrows, this protective style. So I'll be explaining the benefits of avocado seed in this video. So I'll jump right ahead to show you guys how I use this tea to maximize hair growth.
As we all know, there's no growth without moisture. So I'll apply this on my scalp, on my edges, the nape of my hair, even the full length of my hair down to the ends of my hair. Then I'll massage it into my hair. So it's a couple of days after the first application, so we're going to repeat the same steps. You spray it into your hair and massage it in. Apply your leave-in conditioner and oil of choice. And while you're at it, it is a good time to give yourself a scalp massage to get the blood flowing back to your scalp, to increase circulation. And most of all, it's relaxing. Now you go over with your leave-in conditioner. You can use an oil of your choice. It is important to know this is not a rinse out spray. It's a leave-in spray. I had this hairstyle in for just 2 weeks, and after the takedown, I noticed significant length retention. So this is a great DIY you can try. And if you enjoyed this video, please give this a thumbs up and like. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.